Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do two looks, starting off with more of a natural glam, and then the other look is going to be a bit more, for nighttime. So I'm going to start off the look using moisturizer, and for that I use my Clarins Reboot Mattifying Hydrating Cream. This is going to feel amazing under your foundations. I don't really believe in primers. I mean, everyone has their own opinion, but I just feel that they don't really do much to me. So next step is foundation, and for foundation I use Wet n Wild Foundation Photo Focus. So I apply a very small amount on the back of my hand. This look is meant to be very glowy. I don't want to go too heavy with the foundation. Next step is some contour and highlight. And yes, using my fingers. And I'm using So next step is eyebrows. I use the powder contour. As you can see, it's broken and it's almost done because I've been using it for so long. But I love this so much. This is by Makeup Revolution, and I use the darkest shade for my eyebrows. So next step, I'm using this by Wet n Wild, and I'm using the lightest shade for my under eyes. This is only just to make sure that I will have no fallout from my eye makeup. Now it's time for the eyes. So for the day look, I'm going to go in with this one by Revolution. I'm going in with this brown shade. Using my fingers, I'm going to take this shimmery shade and I'm going to lightly dab it on my eyes. For the next step, I'm going to take a round small brush. I'm going in with black brown and I'm blending them together, and I'm going to apply it over. I love blusher, I love having rosy cheeks, and I've been using this palette again by Makeup Revolution. And I'm using this red one. It looks very red, but in real life it's very nice and it gives a very natural glow to it. For the lips, I'm just going to do what I usually do to my lips, which is I'm using a lip liner. You can use any natural lip liner that you have that matches your lips. And I'm just going to overline them, and then, I always like to contour my lips, and I'm using the same powder palette, and I'm taking the dark brown and just kind of like lining my lips. And I'm gonna finish off this look with some lip gloss, and I'm using this lip gloss by Kiko. And this is look number one. And now on to the second look. So the same step that we did using the brown brush and the black, and I'm just gonna blend it. So now I'm gonna take this like purple shade with brown and just apply it over the black. So I'm using this palette. It's new, I haven't used it before. It's by Morphe, and oh my god, look at the color. Look, like beautiful. This is art. This is like pure art. Like, look at this. Like, look at the packaging. Look at the colors. Look at those glitters. Like, so I'm going to go over the gold, and for that I'm using Work the Room. Okay, so next step, I'm going to remove this and obviously go in with red lipstick, because you know it's like classic, you know, red lipstick on Valentine's Day. I mean, okay, so outfit change. And this is the final look, numero 2. And these were the final 2 looks. I do hope that you liked them. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And that's it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later.